Do you ever wonder what it would feel like to finally stop worrying about the future of your retirement savings? With all the chaos happening in the economy, it's no surprise that so many American retirees are feeling uncertain about their financial security. Inflation is out of control, banks are shaking, and interest rates are still on the rise. But here's the thing, there's a solution that's been around for centuries: gold. And today, I'm going to show you how you can make stability your next investment. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't gold just for the rich? Isn't it too risky? But I'm here to tell you that gold, when used properly, is one of the smartest and most secure ways to protect your wealth from the uncertainties of the world. In fact, gold has been a trusted store of value for thousands of years. And right now, in the middle of all this economic turbulence, it's one of the best ways to ensure that your retirement stays safe, no matter what's happening in the markets or the world around you. But here's the secret. While most people think about gold as just a commodity, they don't realize that you can actually invest in gold through something called a Gold IRA, allowing you to make your retirement account much more stable, protected, and ready for whatever comes next. But here's why you need to start paying attention to this right now. We are living in unprecedented times. The inflation rate continues to rise, which means the dollar is losing its purchasing power every single day. The recent bank failures and stock market volatility have shaken up the financial world, leaving many Americans wondering what's next for their savings. And guess what? The very system that's supposed to protect your retirement could be the same one that puts it at risk if you're not careful. That's where the Gold IRA comes in. By diversifying your retirement portfolio with physical gold, you're putting your savings into something that's immune to the volatility of the stock market and the whims of central banks. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold holds its value, even in the worst of times. So, when the next market crash hits, or when inflation soars even higher, your retirement savings will be protected by something that's been a hedge against instability for centuries. Now, I want to make something very clear. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm here to educate you. I understand that your hard-earned savings are something you want to protect. And if you're like most Americans, you've worked incredibly hard to get where you are. You deserve the peace of mind that comes with knowing your money is safe, no matter what's happening outside your door. So, let's get real for a second. If you have $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, this message is for you. This is your chance to safeguard that money in a way that will protect it for future generations. And I'm offering you a free guide filled with everything you need to know about Gold IRAs and how they work. It's all part of an education-first approach, where you won't be pressured into anything you don't need or want. No free silver gimmicks, no high-pressure sales tactics. Just honest, straightforward information to help you make the best decision for your future. And here's the best part. If you sign up for this free guide, you'll also get a no-obligation, one-on-one consultation with an expert who will walk you through your options. No strings attached, just a quick call to see if a Gold IRA is a good fit for you. That's it. We'll never ask you to make any hasty decisions. We want you to be 100% comfortable with whatever steps you take next. But here's the emotional truth behind all of this. You've worked hard for your retirement. You've spent decades building something that will carry you through your golden years. The last thing you want is for all of that hard work to be jeopardized by things completely out of your control. Protecting your wealth today isn't just for you. It's for your children, your grandchildren, and the generations that come after them. So don't wait any longer. Take control of your future now. Click the link in the description below to get your free Gold IRA guide, and let's set up a quick educational call to see if it makes sense for you. You've earned the peace of mind, and now it's time to make stability your next investment.